Hey everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Apple gift card online. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, launch any web browser on your mobile device. So in my case, I'm just gonna launch Safari here. Now once you are here, tap on the search bar at the bottom and then simply search for apple.com. And now, within a matter of seconds, you'll be led to the official website of Apple. Now, once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your Apple account using your Apple ID and your password related to your Apple account. Now, just at the top, you can see a search icon. Tap on it. Now, simply search for gift card. Now, just tap on the option of Apple gift card under suggested links. With that, you'll come to this page. Now simply tap on the option of buy at the middle of your screen. Now you'll come to this page and you have to start by entering a method through which you want to send this gift card by. So for instance, I'm just gonna select the option of email. Now you can also choose a design for your gift card. So for instance, I'm gonna choose this design here. Now, choose an amount that you would want to load on the gift card. If you tap on other amount, you can also load the amount more than the stated ones here. So for now, I'm just gonna tap on the option of $100. Now, you have to fill in these details below. After this, you have to enter the name of the recipient. So let me enter a name and then enter the email of the recipient. Then you have to enter the sender's name, that is your own name. Now, simply enter your email address. Here we go. Now, after entering your email address, you can also personalize a custom message on the gift card. Now, just tap on the box that says your message. Now, just write a custom message for the person you are about to send this gift card to. Now, after writing in the message, simply tap on save at the bottom. Now, if you scroll down below, you can see a message that says usually arrives within 1 hour, which means that the gift card will be delivered within 1 hour. Now, apart from this, if you scroll down below on your screen, you can see various platforms where you can use your Apple gift card. So these are the platforms that are eligible for you to use your Apple gift card. Now, let's scroll up above and just tap on the option of Add to Bag in order to move forward. Now, once you are here, all your details will be given below. Make sure you check your details thoroughly and then you can see your total amount. After this, tap on the option of Checkout at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll come to this page where you have to select a method for payment. You can either use credit or debit card, you can use Apple Pay, or you can use PayPal. So in my case, I'm just going to use the option of credit or debit card. Also, if you wish to pay from Apple Pay, make sure that you have set up your Apple ID or your Apple Pay account. Now, once you select the method, you have to fill in these details. Just enter your information here and then simply enter the billing address. Also, you have to enter your contact information, and then if you scroll down below, at the bottom you'll see the option of continue to review. After filling in these details, tap on the option of continue to review and then you will successfully be able to purchase Apple gift card online. So that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.